Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Victor here, and yes, what you're looking at right now is not me. This is AI me. Yup, my animated twin created entirely with AI tools and a little help from ChatGPT and HeyGen.
Okay, let's pause for a second. This is the real Victor. And yeah, that animated guy in the beginning, totally me, but not me. Kind of like how a wax figure at Madame Tussauds is technically you, but also deeply unsettling. I wanted to see how close AI could get to cloning me, and honestly, it's kind of scary how far it's come. Like, should I be worried? Is this how the robot uprising starts? With a slightly too cheerful digital version of ourselves? So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made that 3D version of myself from a single photo. What tools I used, how much it costs, and why my digital twin might be actually better looking than me. Which is concerning and sad. Let's start from the beginning. Here's how it all started. I uploaded a photo of myself into ChatGPT. Now you could use any photo, a professional headshot, a selfie, or that one picture from 2019 where you actually looked awake. Then I told ChatGPT to make it a bit cuter and younger because you know, if I'm creating a digital version of myself, I'm not gonna make it look more tired than I already am. And a few prompts later,
boom, my 3D animation was born. And honestly, I'm not sure if I should be flattered or concerned about how good it looks. Here's how it all started. I uploaded my picture, asked ChatGPT to make it look like a 3D animated version of me, something Pixar would have done if they had a lower budget and a serious caffeine addiction. I went back and forth with a few prompts, tweaking the style, adjusting the features, making sure it actually looked like me and not some random cartoon character. Then, once the image looked ready, I took it over to HeyGen, the platform that basically turns text into a talking avatar. Think your face plus a really talented robot that never blinks. Well, sometimes it blinks, but we'll get to that later. Now, HeyGen also lets you integrate with 11 Labs for the voice part, and that's where the magic really happens. I typed my script, chose my voice tone, and 11 Labs turned my text into this. The voice you're hearing right now. Smooth, natural, and maybe even too charming. Okay, that part might still be the human me. But seriously, the technology has come so far. It's actually kind of scary how realistic these voices sound now. Now, let's talk about HeyGen's plans, because I know some of you are thinking, Victor, how much does it cost to make a robot version of myself? Well, here's the deal. There's a free plan where you get a few credits to test the waters. Basically, see if you like your digital self kind of deal. You can create a short video, play around with the interface, and see if it's something you want to invest in. It's perfect if you're just curious or want to experiment without spending any money up front. Then there's the creator plan, and that's what I'm using. It's about $48 a month, and it gives you plenty of minutes to create videos, access to higher quality avatars, and integrations like 11 Labs. This is the sweet spot for content creators, YouTubers, or anyone who needs to produce consistent video content without always being on camera. I mean, imagine being able to create videos while you're sleeping, or at the gym, or eating tacos. The possibilities are endless. They also have business and enterprise plans. These are for teams and companies that need tons of content. You can even create custom avatars, basically cloning yourself into a virtual spokesperson. You could have your avatar doing sales calls, training videos, customer support, all while the real you is doing literally anything else. Scary? Maybe. Cool? Definitely. So, I wrote my script right here with ChatGPT, exported it to HeyGen, and within minutes, my animated self was ready to roll.
No camera, no lights, no retakes.
No worrying about how my hair looks or if there's something stuck in my teeth. Just pure, efficient, caffeinated AI doing all the heavy lifting for me. But hey, if you love human creativity just as much as AI, or even more, let me tell you about something special. Here at Vidpros, we make it easy to bring your ideas to life. If you want professional editors and designers to handle your content without the stress of doing it all yourself, there's only one choice. Let Vidpros take care of it. We specialize in turning your raw footage or even AI-generated content like this into polished, high-quality videos that captivate your audience. Your content, your vision, elevate it. You bring the ideas, we bring the execution. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or someone with a story to tell, we've got your back. AI is powerful, but our human editors bring that touch of heart, creativity, and polish that tech alone can't match. They understand pacing, emotion, storytelling, all the nuances that make a video truly engaging. Sign up for our trial and see the difference for yourself. Trust me, a little human touch goes a long way, even in a world of talking AI heads. So after a few tweaks, here we are, the final product. Everything you're watching, from my movements to my lips to this beautiful "I'm totally not a robot" face, was built with HeyGen. And honestly, it's kind of wild how natural it's getting.
Sure, there are still limits. Like sometimes it blinks like it's on a timer, or the smile looks slightly haunted, like it knows something you don't.
But overall, it's incredible for creating explainers, tutorials, or brand avatars. If you need to scale your video production, or if you're camera shy, or if you just want to experiment with what's possible in 2025, this technology is absolutely worth exploring. I've been testing it for a few weeks now, and the learning curve is pretty gentle. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need a script, a few minutes, and a willingness to embrace your digital doppelganger.
Now for the next video, we're going even deeper. I'll be creating a realistic avatar of myself with HeyGen, full human style.
Like, is that Victor or his digital stunt double kind of real? Not animated, not cartoonish, just me, or at least a really convincing version of me. And I'll show you the entire process, from the custom avatar recording to final render. We'll talk about lighting, voice matching, all the little details that make it look believable, because that's where this technology is headed. Not just cute animated characters, but truly photorealistic avatars that can stand in for you in professional settings. So that's how I turned a simple photo, a ChatGPT prompt, and a few lines of text into a talking, moving, kinda human version of myself. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you ever replace yourself with an AI avatar, or should we leave the acting to the humans for now? I'm genuinely curious what you all think about this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Well, this version of me will anyway. Who knows, maybe next time you won't even be able to tell the difference.